Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope y'all are having a fabulous day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all, today we're gonna unbox a Coach Rowan, and this is gonna be the embossed black leather one that just came out recently. It did sell out and it just came back in stock and I was able to get my hands on one, so I wanted to share my unboxing with y'all. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna unbox it for y'all, but I do wanna say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel and you love luxury, handbags, and fashion as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all definitely hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok and I post high quality images sometimes of the stuff I review on my Instagram page. So y'all definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, definitely check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio here. You can find lots of great information there, shopping links, discount codes, and you can also shop my Depop closet as well, and much more. And lastly, with all that out of the way, if everybody could just take one moment and give my video a big thumbs up, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. Thank you so much. All right, let's unbox this Coach Rowan. This is gonna be the large Coach Rowan in the black embossed leather that they came out with from the Coach outlet. It came out a few months ago, it sold out, and then I was able to get my hands on one, so let's open it up together. It did come in a big box here. I think it came from the Jacksonville warehouse here in Florida in the US. Let's see what we've got here and see how they packaged it. All right, get into it. All right, here we go, y'all. Here is inside the box. Got a lot of stuffing. All right, and here is the bag. All right, it's all wrapped up in the plastic. All right, so here it is, y'all. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay. All right, y'all, so I had seen this one when it first came out, and you know, lately the large Rowans, they're kind of hard to get your hands on. Like, they're not any in store ever. They never have them in store. And then they sold out online. All they had was like that stone color in the stone with the dark hardware for ever and ever. And it's still online available too. But they recently came back with a maple one that sold out immediately. And then they also come out with the walnut one that's online now, but who knows how long that'll be there. So when this one came online a few weeks ago, I was like, let me just go ahead and order it. So I don't really know if I actually ordered it out of FOMO or did I really want the bag. So I'm hoping that I love the bag. Otherwise, I may return it and see about getting the walnut one because I know I love that color in the walnut. But hopefully this one's gonna be pretty and I want to keep it in my collection. So let's open it up and see what it looks like here together. I've seen a couple of reviews on it and it is a beautiful bag. I'm just not real big on black bags, but let's see. All right, so there she is. All right, of course it's got all the packaging and everything on it, but I do like, it smells really good. I do like the embossment on it. It feels really nice in my hands. So, you know, Coach outlet, they have some pretty good leather. I know it's not like your best leather, but this looks really pretty actually. I like the embossment on it. Like I said, the embossment feels pretty deep inside it, and I don't know, it just feels really good in my hands. So I may wind up keeping her, but let's take all of the packaging and everything off and I'll show you some close-up details of it. But that's what it looks like as far as it just coming out of the packaging. And I'll get all of the wrap off of it for you here and we'll come back and I'll show you some close-up details. All right, y'all, I got all of the packaging and the wrapping and everything off of it and the stuffing on the inside. So here she is. Look how beautiful she looks. Very, very nice. I do like the embossment on it, like I said, and I love that the leather feels so good on it. It feels really, you know, like the embossment is really stamped into there really good. So let me just show it to you. I'll do a little 360 spin here, and then we'll go over some close-up details. That's the front side. All right, and then there is the side. And then there's the back side there. Got your zipper pull on the back with the gold hardware. And then there's the other side. And then the bottom of it does have feet on it, so very nice. On the front side here, you have your Coach logo in gold there, a double zipper pull on top here. Very, very nice. All right, and then it's got black handles as well in that leather color. So very nice. Let me show you the inside of the bag. It's got a double zipper, and then on the interior here, you have this nice black color on the inside here. You have your story patch there on the inside. And it has a leather zipper pull with a little pocket there for your stuff to go in. There's some paperwork from Coach still in there. All right, and then you have just some leather little tabs on the side like usual on each side of the zipper. The opposite side is gonna have your slip pocket here that has a little button here, and it's got a rivet on it that's gonna say Coach on it, and it's a little snap that you can snap shut, and it is lined with leather across the top there. So there's a little slip pocket for you to put your stuff in. And then let me show you the strap that comes on it. This is the strap. It's a nice black leather as well, and then you have gold dog leash style attachment pieces there, and of course they have the Coach logo on that as well. This is one of the longer straps that you could wear crossbody. Now they stopped making these on the Rowans for some reason recently. Don't know why, but, and then there's your buckle there with the Coach logo on it. But yes, so apparently I guess they're gonna stop just doing the crossbody and just have shoulder straps now from now on. I'm not sure how well that's gonna go over with Coach fans that love the Rowan, because we like to wear our bags crossbody. So I'm not really sure, but this one does have the longer crossbody one, so I may wind up keeping it. I'm not really sure yet. Like I said, I do really love that walnut when they came out, so this one may be going back to the outlet. I'm not really sure yet, but she is pretty, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all the hang tag on the front there in the black leather, but a beautiful bag from Coach. They really do pretty on these Rowans, and it's one of my favorite bags from Coach. So I was happy to share it with y'all and show it to you. And if I keep it, I'll definitely do some videos with it styled. So thank y'all so much for watching my unboxing video. I hope I gave you enough information on this large Coach Rowan. If I didn't, you can always email me at madhatterbags@gmail.com. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you'll give my video a like, it does help my channel to grow before you leave. Thank you so much. And I'll see everybody on my next video review. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.